All right, we're given these functions. First thing it wants me to do is find f of g of, of x, meaning that f is composed of g of x. I tend to like to write these like this because it makes it easier for me to be able to see that, okay, I'm going to plug g of x in here. And so f of the square root of x, and then I have my f of x, where I see x, I simply plug in, where I see x, I simply plug in the square root. So that's pretty easy for that one. Then g of f of x, once again, g of f of x equals g, what is f of x? 8x plus 7. And I plug that into my g, my square root. All right, now it asks me to find the domain of my f of g of x, which was 8 square roots of x plus 7. I think the only issue is the square root has to be 0 or larger, so that would be my domain. If I'm looking at my domain of g of f of x, which was the square root of 8x plus 7. Now this one's a little bit more involved because I need to make sure all of this has to be greater than or equal to 0. So I just simply set this as an inequality, greater than or equal to 0, 8x greater than or equal to negative 7, x greater than or equal to negative 7 over 8. And so it can contain negative 7 over 8 because that will make this 0 and the square root of 0 is 0, but then it can go up to infinity.